medias, which is say 90 and 45, and then we use HTF along with that. So 90 and 45 will work something like this. So allow me to just unshare my screen with you, and I think let me go to the speaker's view, and I just want to show you how these media they look like. So just give me 10 seconds. Here I am. What we have here is a simple HTF media, and you've seen it many times. When I shake it, it forms a lot of bubbles. Why?
It
ROS.
contains protein.
Protein.
Protein. In case I have this media with me, I just shake it, and you'll find a lot of froth coming. It's proteins.
Human serum albumin is there.
Yeah, very right, very right. So we have got. I hope Mohit, you can see, you can all see what I'm doing now. So we've got an HTF bottle here. We've got gradient. Either we use only this one we use, only this one we use, or we use a gradient media. Gradient can be 90-45 or 80-40, depending on which brand we are using. Gradients also come in such plastic bottles, then which can be 80-40. It from some companies make 80-40. Some companies make 90-45, and HTF remains static. We're using a lot of these medias. This is a wash media. So washing media can come in a plastic bottle. It can come in a plastic bottle like this, big bottle of 6 ml or 5 ml. It can come in a 5 ml vials, or it can come in a vial like this, which we can, we can take out some amount, and then we can, this one once you break, we can't use it. But this one probably for one day you can use it more. We just open it from here, and then we, like a syringe, we take out the media which you want to use. So this one is a nice media. All medias are good, and this media is this is normally, it contains 4 gram per liter. It contains 4 gram per liter. In case you can watch it, it contains 4 gram per liter of albumin. So this is a way 4 gram per liter. Can you watch it? Can you see this? It's 4 gram per liter of albumin. Nice one, and you can use, it's got phenol red in it, and phenol red is an indicator. And along with this, they also give, companies give like these vials only, which you can open and utilize it. And they all come in 1 ml. So this is 1 ml vial. Just remember that your density gradient medias are always in 1 ml. Never forget. Double density
2 ml.
HTF 5 ml. Double density is always 1 ml each. Never forget this. 1 ml each. 1 ml each. And sometimes they say 1 ml gradient, lower layer. Can you watch it? Lower layer? And they write upper layer also. Upper layer also. And other people may not do this, and they'll give you a vial like this, and you have to know how to use it. So now the catch here, which I want to show you here, is very important, is when you have got a double density, it will be 1 ml vial. And when you go to a double density, when you go to a single density, it will be a 2 ml vial. That's all I want to. It's meant to just make you recapitulate what we are learning so that you don't forget. I hope all of my friends are clear about it. All clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great, great. Just for recapitulation, the classes are meant for just having a recapitulation of what we have learned till now. Any doubts, feel free to uh, talk to me now. Now we are at number of 350. 350 of you are here. So just feel free. I'm with you. Just want to do it properly. But uh, just get involved with the thing. So this is a, we are using a small pipette here. We are adding equal amount of media, and then the simple procedure. The media is being put inside, and then we are mixing it. The media and the semen sample. This is what we have. We load it in the tube. We balance in a centrifuge machine. Finally, we do it for 10 minutes, as I told you. I normally don't cross 10 minutes for the first wash. And then we get this palette here. ये क्या चीज है? What is this? This is a wash media. 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 This is a wash media.
Supernatant.
Very good.
Seminal plasma, sir.
Yeah,
Pellet,
what-
pellet.
this is called pellet.
Supernatant.
Great. So
think
I'm
this
done.
is I
I'm
think
done.
this is a debris coming from the sample.
Yeah.
Debris.
Correct.
This
So
is
this
debris,
is
not
This
pellet.
is
this is the pellet. This is a pellet,
pellet.
and pellet will have good sperms. It can maybe having bad sperms. It may be having leukocytes. It may be having WBs because this is controlled. इस पे control ही नहीं है ना. It's spin कर दिया ना हमने. So some you may get many multiple things here. But the pellet, how will the pellet? Now again question comes. How does a pellet of a plain simple wash differs from the pellet of double density wash? Anyone?
This is from singles.
Yeah, Shravani, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Missing you a
How-
lot.
I also miss you guys. How's your Nagpur doing? AIMS Nagpur? Lost you. So great. How does a pellet of a single of a plain simple wash?
We have started our case.
हो गई है तेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा तेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है so let's connect so the how does a pellet of a simple wash differs from pellet of a double density that's what I want to ask you
It is a thick palette.
Quantity will be less.
quantity will be less okay what more
It will contain good
More
sperm.
clearer.
clearer
Basically,
Accelerator.
Number of WBC will not be there in double
good
density.
morphology will be there in a palette of double.
Agreed Geeti how are you
In pellet, we
How are
have
you?
good sperm, good motile sperm.
good fantastic so just want to tell you that there is something called supernatant something called
Pure,
pellet. Yes Abdul
pure healthy sperm isolated.
I think I think the problem in this sample all containing all contents of tube is mixed. Single first layer of gradient, second layer ensemble, all of them is mixed together. There is something wrong during the process this sample.
no this is not gradient this is simple wash
Simple wash.
Okay, that's good.
Abdul,
This
this
is
is not
my
a
this is my
gradient.
default.
No, no problem. It's a
Okay.
gradient nahi hai, Abdul. Gradient is gonna come in some time. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is simple
Okay.
wash. But he had a good observation. He's an embryologist. He's got good observation. So this is not. This is. I have not drawn the columns here till now, and now this is a palette, and then it goes on. Now I want to ask you. I'm just giving you some take-home messages. For my for a C2 batch, I would have spent around I think 18 hours on embryology minimum 18, 19. Then hands-on again 10 hours we do microscopy. But for everyone, just know
Sir,
that yes,
I have a doubt.
tell your name, madam, and then you ask the
Sir,
doubt.
I'm
Tell your name.
Farhana, sir.
Farhana, yes, Farhana. Ask.
Sir, can centrifugation can cause DNA fragmentation?
Yes,
Yes.
it can cause multiple problems. So I'm coming to this only, Farhana. This is what I want to cover here now. Is centrifugation detrimental to spermatozoa?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
अब इस पर आ रहा हूं मैं. Farhana, I take your query now. There itself. See,
Okay.
when we spin, our sperms are going. They spin. I assume that we are having, say, 5 ml of the column, assumingly, and then we've got this is the bottom of the tube. So 5 ml means this is 5 ml, and this may be say in centimeters or in millimeters, a particular length. Sperm is barely 75 micrometer. The range can be between 50 and 60 micrometer, not 75, sorry, it's 60 micrometer. And sperm has to come down from this whole length, this may be around 45 centimeter, and come down and hit this. So when the sample is good, the sperms can move away. When the sample is bad sample, bad and good sperms just start cutting each other. And then there can be plasma membrane injuries. So there are plasma membrane injuries. And these injuries will do what? What will they do?
Increase
RO.
of growth.
Yes.
ROS.
So sperms they start cutting each other. Example give to you that are people who drive good cars, luxury cars. Those cameras, they stop by themselves. Like the cars will halt by itself. The cars won't allow you to change a lane. And they may wake you up, give you an alarm, wake up, you're sleeping, and will take you to the side by itself. Cars take over the control. But
ADAS.
same car, in case you ADAS, yes, very right, ADAS. They got 360-degree cameras all around. Car controls you, not you. But same car, in case you go to Jama Masjid in Delhi, my favorite place to have chaat, and you must visit Jama Masjid in case you come to Delhi, in case you want to have good non-veg food, where there you may even take a tractor or you take an aircraft, somebody will bang you. वहाँ का मजा वही है कि somebody will keep banging you, whichever car you take. So when the sperms are unhealthy, the rickshaw walas, auto walas will keep banging you. So we have to know when sample is a very bad sample, then we shouldn't use spinning. Then we should be using actually double density. Otherwise, the sample can get hurt more. So what Farhana said, there can be injury to the plasma membrane. DNA damage, I'm not very sure because DNA damage cannot occur in 10 minutes. Farhana. DNA damage cannot occur in those 7 or 8 minutes. So there's no DNA damage. DNA damage is normally a chronic damage is there. Acute membrane damage can occur. There can be breaking of the plasma membrane, agreed. There can be breaking of the acrosomal membrane, agreed. But there won't be any DNA damage which can be quantified by DFI. ऐसा होता नहीं है 10 मिनट के अंदर. So DNA damage is due to ROS and it occurs over a period of time, not in period of 8 to 10 minutes. So
The oxidative stress, how can affect the sperm motility and sperm health, andro health, sir?
no, once we have the membrane damage, occurring, then they produce certain chemicals. And these chemicals are basically reactive oxygen species, which will repair the damage. And they are the ones which, in case we have large amount of ROS, and we have removed seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains antioxidants. Here, sperms have been separated, so there is no repair going on in them. So these damaged sperms can have lower potential to fertilize. They won't fertilize. So there
Hello,
comes,
sir.
there comes
Is
the,
there any other method to separate sperms apart from centrifuge which doesn't cause damage to plasma membrane?
madam, in case you want to go and watch a movie, you have not even reached a cinema hall till now. You're at your home. You've yet to reach the cinema hall. People are laughing. So don't worry. Don't worry. I've yet to start the class. Or sometime probably we'll throw centrifuge machine out in some time. So I'll come to this. Surely I'll come to this, madam. But very good question, Litika. Very good question. And this is the question I want to address today. Litika spoke, no? I think I'm not wrong. I think Litika spoke.
Likita.
Likita,
Thank
where
you,
are you from? कहाँ के हो आप?
What,
Andhra?
sir?
Where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. You're not our alumni. So, Likita, very, very good question. And the whole of this 69 to 84 in less than 1 year, I'm doing it for this, addressing your question only. So thank you so much for bringing it up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So I'm just going to cover everything. So second is the swim up method. This is one method which you can use. So Likita, this method is meant for, I'll call it Likita's method. This method you can use. इसमें use कर सकती है. इसमें ROS damage नहीं होता है. There's no ROS damage here because here we take semen sample here and we do medium overlay here. And the sperms will move up. And as they move up, we collect them from here and do our procedure. Simply. You can easily do exhibit in such a sense. So this is rapid isolation. It occurs in barely 5 to 10 minutes. No spinning and works very well. This is a method where we don't have any spinning at all, but this is meant for a very good sample. An ordinary sample, we don't use this. You can use it for ICSI, excellent. IVF, excellent. But for IUI, the sample has to be very good. Good volume also. This one method you can use it. Simple method where we take the semen sample in the tube, overlay with the media, sperms will swim up. And then once they swim up, we have an option to use it directly, or what we can do is we can immediately, we can wash it again and then use it. So it can be simple swim up, or we take the swim up and then we swim up plus wash. This is called simple method of swim up. The other method is that we wash it first. Here, the third method is that we wash the semen sample and then we take the swim. So there are three types of swimmers we do. And I think the only safe method what Likita wanted to brought out is the simple method where we do swim plain swim. That's all. Once you wash it, the damage will occur. So we get this little small palette here and palette we can use. Now coming to the density gradient media. Now here again my fundamental learning will be that it needs double centrifugation. Double centrifugation. The first wash can be for here we keep the speed at around 1200x and take the time to say 15 minutes because time can increase it because it's got a gradient to come down. But we don't try to increase speed much. More speed can cause problem. So the time, gradual timing are okay. And this is what we normally get here. We are taking two layers. So we have got a layer of 90. We got a layer of 45. Or we take a layer of 80. Take a layer of 40. Take a layer of 55. Single density. It's called one preparation. Add the semen sample up here, centrifuge. Again, it says 1200 RPM and 20 minutes. Here, I say I'll limit myself to 15 minutes. No, we don't like to spin much. And then you remove the supernatant, you get a palette, and then we wash the palette again for 5 minutes. Here again is washing at 20 minutes. I say never go to more than 5 minutes for second wash.